What's going on? My name's Mike with Evolve Inc. And listen, I think we can all agree that 2021 was quite the unexpected year in every aspect. Pete Davidson decided, hey, I'm gonna get all of my tattoos removed. Britney Spears is free. Fat Joe and DJ Khaled decided to make an OnlyFans together. And aside from all of that, tattoos had a huge year themselves. We saw brand new styles being born and some really crazy tattoo trends throughout the whole year. But hey, it's a new year, and with the new year comes brand new tattoo trends. And with it being the new year and all, I figured in this video we talk about 5 of the best tattoo trends that you need to be on the lookout for in 2022. And that reminds me, do you plan on getting a tattoo in 2022? If so, leave a comment below and let me know what it is, because I'd love to know. Now, first and foremost, it's super important for you to get a tattoo of a design that you want instead of just hopping on a trend because it's trendy right now. Or you can just, do the trendy thing. I mean, it's your body. You can do whatever you want. Maybe this list will spark some inspiration. So without further delay, let's get on to the first tattoo trend of 2022. Okay, so starting off the list of tattoo trends in 2022 is micro realism tattoos, which is funny because we talked about this on the channel before. So what is a micro realism tattoo? Well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It is a tattoo that is super small and super detailed. Now, this style has become very popular in 2021, and it's not slowing down in 2022, especially for the people that love attention to detail in their tattoos without wanting to get, that really huge piece. The improvements in tattooing technology has allowed artists to just get so creative on what they could put on their client's skin. There's really nothing a tattoo artist cannot do, and this tattoo trend right here proves it. Now, me personally, this tattooing trend is not really my cup of tea, but with that being said, I'm seeing it everywhere and people really love it. Like what I did there? Oh, ooh. Ooh. Okay, so this next one might come as a shocker to you, but the next tattoo trend that you're gonna see a lot of in 2022 is 90s tattoos. Have you ever heard of that saying, everything that is old is new again? Well, I personally feel like this is especially true when it comes to tattoos in 2022. Styles that many of us thought have gone away or haven't really been that popular in the past couple years are gonna see a huge comeback this year. Just like, say, tribal tattoos, for example. You're starting to see these tribal tattoos in unique and interesting new ways. So tattoo trends that you would say see back in the 90s are gonna come back and be really trendy in 2022. Things like 90s cartoons, tribal, and even lower back pieces are gonna be making a huge comeback this year, without, of course, being so heavily judged like they once were. And that's due to the sheer fact that tattoo artists are becoming better and better. All right, so the third tattoo trend that you're gonna be seeing a lot of in 2022 is face, hand, and neck tattoos. Oh yeah. These are gonna be super trendy this year. And the main reason why this is happening is because the narrative has changed. Tattoos are becoming more acceptable to the public eye, and not only to the public eye, but more companies and businesses are becoming more acceptable to tattoos. This weight has been being lifted for years now, and you'll notice that more businesses are hiring people with face, neck, hand, or really any tattoos. Businesses and just people overall aren't being so judgy. Tattoos are the new norm and they're just becoming more acceptable. And aside from society and businesses being more acceptable to tattoos, another reason why this tattoo trend is becoming so trendy is because more and more celebrities are getting these spots tattooed. Justin Bieber just got a Grace face tattoo. Post Malone had face, neck, and hand tattoos for a while now. Lil Uzi Vert, Adam Levine, just more celebrities and more stars are just getting these tattoos done. Now, I'm not saying just because it's a tattoo trend to go get these spots tattooed, but I'm just saying it's gonna blow up in 2022, and you heard it here first. Next up on tattoo trends that you're gonna see a lot of in 2022, you're gonna be seeing a lot of fine line tattoos. Now, I was never a real big fan of fine line tattoos due to the sheer fact that they just don't age well and they don't heal up that well. But with that being said, tattoo artists and tattoo technology is evolving, and these types of tattoos are not only starting to look a lot better, but they're starting to look a lot better, as they age, which that was my only complaint. Now, not because it's trendy, but this is becoming one of my personal favorite tattooing styles. This has been a huge trend for the past like 5 years, and it is not slowing down anytime soon. Now, there still is a huge fan base of people that love the more bolder outline tattoos. But with that said, this fine line style is perfect for people that love the more, dainty and delicate style of tattooing, and they don't want to have such big, bold lines on their skin. It's a newer style of tattooing, and it's becoming a trend because of how unique these tattoos look. It allows tattoo lovers to dip their feet in a brand new style. It's going to be a huge trend in 2022, and I'm all here for it. Okay, so coming in at number 5, you are going to see a huge uptick in the abstract style. Now, I believe the abstract style of tattooing has become a thing in like the very beginning of 2020. And trust me, it hasn't slowed down since, and it's going to take off in 2022. So what is the abstract style of tattooing? Well, it's pretty much the same thing as abstract art. So for example, if someone were to be tattooing a wolf, it wouldn't just be them tattooing a standard image of a wolf. Instead, there will be a combination of a bunch of unique shapes and distortions that would resemble a wolf. These types of tattoos tend to interact with the body in unique and new ways, which we will see more and more of in the coming years. One of my favorite things about this tattooing trend and this style is that the person that has the tattoo could have a personal meaning to the tattoo. And not only that, it could look different to other people, just like how abstract art is different from person to person, which is just unique in an art style. And I am a huge fan of all types of art, and this is why I give this tattooing trend 2 big thumbs up. I absolutely love it. Trust me, you're gonna be seeing a lot of abstract tattoos out there this year. If you wanna watch more tattoo related content, check out this playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.